And now, Kenya and India will deepen bilateral ties on defense, trade, health, agriculture, digital technologies and education as the two countries ramp up their ties. New Indian High Commissioner to Kenya Adarsh Swaika says New Delhi is also working on a simplified visa regime that will make it easier for Kenyans to visit India. Two-way trade ties stand close to 400 billion shillings, with India being one of the biggest importers of Kenyan black tea.
Between Kenya and India date back centuries, with Kenya hosting the second biggest Indian diaspora in Africa after South Africa. More than 200 Indian companies are operating in Kenya, employing thousands of Kenyans, with the number expected to reach 300 companies by the year 2030. Speaking at the High Commission of India, the High Commissioner Dr. Adarsh Swaika noted that the partnership is anchored in strong political trust, marked by frequent high-level engagement between Nairobi and New Delhi.
Today, much of it is driven by strong strategic, economic and developmental cooperation. However, to understand where India-Kenya relationship is going, we must first understand where it began from.
He added that people-to-people ties remain strong, supported by simplified visa processes, with the e-visa easing the process, a vibrant Indian diaspora, cultural exchanges, yoga outreach, and growing tourism between the two countries.
When it comes to Indian culture, we see a lot of affinity for the same in Kenya. Bollywood films and Indian television soap operas are among the most watched foreign content on Kenyan channels, resonating with audiences through shared values of family and community.
Last year, the Export-Import Bank of India relocated its East Africa representative office from Addis Ababa to Nairobi, with plans to extend more than $200 million in lines of credit to various projects in textile and small and medium-sized enterprises. Swaika says Indian long-term development vision Viksit Bharat 2047 aligns closely with Kenya's Vision 2030, creating scope for cooperation in manufacturing, renewable energy, digital services, and youth employment.
Trade, commerce and investments, I think that has become one of the most important barometers to see how well a relationship is going. And I can tell you that India-Kenya relationship, when it comes to trade and commerce, is standing tall. India is the third largest trade partner of Kenya, around USD $3.5 billion of trade. Importantly, Indian exports to Kenya are consumption-based and do not substitute Kenyan products manufactured locally.
Reporting for Lunchtime News, I'm Aaron Marie.